sweet watermelon milk crush or sweet watermelon milk bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most different of the watermelon crush recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the dessert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sweet recipes, one of the most different of the watermelon drink recipes. Today we're going to make watermelon milk crush. We have taken a watermelon which we are going to cut into a half. Cut the watermelon through the center. Now it has been cut into two perfect halves. Now take one of the halves in the plate. Now scoop out the red portion of the watermelon and shift it onto the plate. Separate out the red portion of the watermelon. Using a spoon. Do this until all the whole red portion is nicely separated. Now crush the separated red mixture, red pulp of the watermelon using the spoon. Thoroughly crush. until all the watermelon is crushed and the juice comes out of the pulp. You can remove the seeds if you want, or you can take the crush with the seeds. Heat the pan and pour in 5 to 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the raisins and fry the raisins until they swell up. Do this in low heat. Once they have swollen up, take them off the pan and onto the plate. Now put in the cashew, salt and fry. Nicely fry until they are brown. Once they become brown, take them off the pan and onto the plate. Now pour in 200 ml of boiled and cold milk. Mix thoroughly with the watermelon mixture. Put in 5 spoons of sugar. Mix in the sugar. Until the sugar is nicely mixed. Now put in the cashew and the raisins on top and mix. Now the watermelon milk crush is ready. It can be served. This is the final sweet watermelon milk crush or sweet watermelon milk bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the dessert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.